Dimitra.
Oh yes.
What's OPA? What does OPA mean?
You know, it's got
It's
many
difficult.
meanings.
Yeah,
Many
and
meanings.
it's
How you use
difficult.
it.
Ah, how you use it.
And it's not exactly how to use it. It's only one. It's difficult. I tell you, explain. But can I teach you?
Yes, you teach
want?
me.
Okay.
Yes.
Come on, guys. Yamas.
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 Opa.
Drinking, please. And after, Opa.
OPA.
That means Opa.
Ah.
Please.
Opa.
It's your lesson. Of course.
Okay.
Άντε για μας.
Yamas.
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 Drinking. And Opa.
OPA.
You understand
Okay.
now?
No, I understand OPA.
Sure?
Yes.
Then I take more glass. I have inside.
No, it's okay. Oh, you have the bottles.
Ah, yes,
Ah.
the same.
Oh.
Opa. Yeah, with plate.
Wait, what about your tambourine? No, the tambourine.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay, again lesson. Drinking. Opa. Oh my god.
That is Opa.
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 Thank you guys, thank you.
Yes.
Oh,
Thank you for
mwah.
teaching us Opa.
Oh,
Opa.
Thank you,
my
my
luck. Thank you so much for your olive oil. €85. I hope it's worth it.
It's
Yeah.
For how much?
It's extra virgin.
Exactly.
Extra virgin.
Double extra.
Double extra. Yeah,
Thank you,
it's
George.
really
Thank
good,
you.
Dimitra's
yeah.
not extra
It's famous.
virgin.
It's famous.
That is true, that's true. But
No. This place is famous, really.
Yes, I
ναι,
know.
Kalamata, and I give you very cheap because you are American, eh?
€85.
It's very cheap. Normally, it's double price for America.
And how much? How much
Because you
is
come
in
from
it?
American, you have the trap inside your blood. €85 is nothing for you, but
that-
okay, you read my home.
I look forward to trying it.
Welcome tomorrow, 8:30 until 9 is the second lesson.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll
Θα
start
από
it.
σέρβικο
Perfect.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Ζωμπάνα.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Και μη κοίτας μπροστά σου, στάσου, μη γοστάσου. Θέλω κάτι να σου πω κι ύστερα για